In this video I'm going to show you how to delete saved audio on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram. Now I can hit there at Reels and I can hit at Reel Audio. And there I can hit on save audio if I like it, and then I can easily find it. And let me show you how I can do that and how to delete saved audios. So all I have to do is hit on profile, then tap on plus sign, and there I can tap on reel or story. I'll tap on reel, for example. And now to be able to add audio here, all I have to do is hit there add audio. Now from here I can tap on saved to see all my saved audios, and now there, if I want to delete some, all I have to do is swipe to the left at audio's name and it shows up that bookmark icon. Now you see that that icon is highlighted, so the audio is actually bookmarked, and I can hit on that audio to unsave it, and in the same way I can do with the other audios. Unfortunately, there are no option to unsave all, so you have to do it one by one. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.